Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Bold Faith Bible. This week's going to be a little bit different, and that is because I am going to be, currently am, almost down to Florida by the time you're watching this video. So it's Sunday morning when this video drops. I will once again be on the road. We'll be leaving from South Carolina, heading down to Fort Myers, Florida. Now, we will be working with a mobile kitchen there that's operated by the Arkansas Baptist Association. And being from Pennsylvania, we'll be reinforcing them as some of their volunteers are cycling out. Pennsylvania is supplying some of the volunteers to fill that need. There's about 100,000 people as of right now that are still without electricity in kind of Cape Coral and North Fort Myers areas. So we will be running the mobile kitchen, one of the mobile kitchens that is supplying the food that will be then distributed throughout the area. We'll be cooking that food, and there's a lot of need definitely in that area. I appreciate your prayers. I covet your prayers for our team to work well together. We're going to be pulling together people from all over the United States into a team to get our kitchen running like clockwork. When you start having to crank out 20, 30,000 meals per day from one kitchen, you need everyone on the team to be just serving each other and in harmony. And that usually is the case, but it can be difficult, and people are going to get exhausted, and having to pick up the slack for other people is kind of all par for the course. So pray for our team to work together in harmony. Pray for our team to be a gospel witness to the community. Help us to be an encouragement to the church that we're going to be hosted at. A lot of the members of the church are very stressed and are trying to serve their community as best they can. Oftentimes we have the community, the church helping with on-site feeding. If we set up an on-site line that people can pick up food at, a lot of times volunteers from the church will help out with that to interact with people in their community as they serve them food and such. But that puts a lot of wear and tear on the church. They're already serving in many facets, and it's just they're already in the disaster zone as it is. So be praying for the church. I don't have the information just yet on which church we'll be partnering with. When we get there, things are still fluid. We could always get redeployed to a different city. That's how disaster relief works. But be praying for our travel down there. And as always, I'm trying to keep all these balls up in the air with the, I'm shooting this Friday night, and I am super stressed about trying to get my main channel, Poplar Preparedness videos shot, and some reviews that I have contract with. I made an agreement to shoot a review video for one business, so I want to make sure I get that done, honor my promises, and so I'm a little stressed out, but this is what the Lord has put before me. And you probably haven't met my cameraman, Tyler. He just started up last week. He moved in here to the Poplar compound, and he will be heading down to Florida with me as well. So we'll be bringing 2 people to add to the feeding team. And that's something that you all are a part of. And so be praying for Tyler, be praying for Steve, and just that we'll be able to get all the things done that we need to. We want to be able to tell the story of people serving, all the volunteers that serve either on vacation time or in their retirement. They're serving, giving up all their time and serving at their own cost. We want to be able to tell some of their stories if we can, try to capture some of that to give a better sense. Oftentimes disaster relief, everyone's just panicking, trying to get the things done that need to get done. And a lot of times communication doesn't really happen very well. And sometimes you don't have internet, you don't have cell phone service. So it's it's difficult to capture and tell those stories, but we're going to try to do our best to do that. That all relates back to here. What is our purpose in life? We are to glorify God and to enjoy Him forever. Or put a different way, what is the greatest command? Is to love the Lord our God with our heart, soul, mind, and strength, and to love our neighbor as ourselves. This also can be summed up in the Great Commission, to go and make disciples of all nations, teaching them what the Lord has commanded, right? And we obey the Lord by teaching others, by discipling others, by serving others and loving them. So when we go out to serve people who are hurting and in crisis with the gospel of Jesus Christ, warm meals or a tarp over their roof or helping them clean out their house, this is exactly what we are here for. Now, I know a lot of you don't have the ability to get away from your work or from your home situation. And so it's my joy to kind of be the hands and feet of this Bible community. So we're going out there to serve in some ways on your behalf. And so I'm excited about that we're partnering together by watching these videos and being part of the preparedness community over on the other channel and such. I and now my cameraman have the ability to go and do that, to serve on everyone's behalf. So to be a blessing to the people down in Florida. So God bless you all for watching. I think I will have all of my daily videos for the daily Bible studies uploaded for this week. So Monday through Friday, we'll still have our daily Bible studies. But I will be, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get next Sunday's done in time though. All right, God bless you all. If you have some time, you want to check out some of the older Bible studies, you might want to check out these right here. Otherwise, I will see you later. God bless you all.